Hi everyone, how to change light bulb on Opel Vivaro, Vauxhall, whatever. Kako promijeniti žarulju prednjeg svjetla na Opelu Vivaro. Dakle, otvorite haubu, ovdje se otvara rukom, ovak dolje potegnete. Just press it here, open the lid. So when you open the hood, there is a light, as you can see. Here, it's just a plastic, which you turn like this. Just flip it over like this, click, click. Rotate, dakle okrenete u smjeru obrnutom od kazaljke na satu, counterclockwise, and then you have H4 H4 lampa unutra. H4. As you can see, at the very end of the van there is a hook which you have to press a little bit downwards like a wire. Ima jedna žica koju pritisnete malo prema dolje, nalazi se skroz desno, to jest uz stijenku. So you have two wires, press the lower one down, the upper one up. Donju žicu pritisnete prema dolje i odvojite, gornju prema gore i odvojite i onda izvadite lampu. Take the lamp out. Just pull. Ok, uspio sam izvaditi. I've managed to pull it out. As you can see. It's a bit tricky. Like this. Malo je komplicirano. Inače morate skinuti ovo. Otherwise you have to take this off. And when you take this part it's gonna be easier. Biće lakše ako skinete ovaj dio, ali ni ne morate. Možete ovako. Always be careful not to touch this glass with your fingers on halogen lamp. This is the old one, that's why I'm doing it. It's not a problem. But if you touch it, it's gonna break really soon. Nemojte nikad doticati staklo, halogene lampe s prstima, jer će zbog masnoće vrlo brzo pregorjeti kad se ugrije. A to je već pri prvoj vožnji. Ovaj kabel, this cable you can bring out a little bit. It's easier to pull the lamp itself out. Lakše je izvaditi lampu ovako, isto tako i vratiti sljedeću. So, hold it on the metal part, držite za metal, nemojte nikad doticati staklo kao što kažem. I ništa, sad samo ovo trebam utaknuti ovdje, nazad u far i vratite ovu plastiku gore i to je to. That's about it. To je to. Za kraj samo provjerite jel radi prije nego sve zatvorite i poklopite. Just before the end. Check out if it's all right. Left lamp is working. The right one as well. Obje lampe rade i to je to. Hvala na gledanju. Pozdrav.